What's going on, guys? I'm gonna get right to it and show you what you're here for. Most of these items are new to the market that will work with both the Tesla Model Y or Tesla Model 3. They are all easy to install, and I'll post links below this video should you find one of them interesting. Brand new in the market is this cup holder that screws directly into the Tesla door frame. It will work on both the Tesla Model 3 or your Tesla Model Y. I'm all about more intuitive storage places, especially when it comes to drink holders. This location I think is really convenient and the installation is a breeze. Just take off the plastic panel behind the handle of the door and you will see there's a screw that needs to be taken out. Use the included tool that comes with the cup holder kit and take off the original bolt. Affix the metal holder of the cup holder and re-screw in the bolt of the handle, and finally slide the cup holder portion on the frame. These cup holders will work with all 4 doors, not just up front. They hold a majority of cups, including many fast food cups and a 12-ounce can, but anything wider than 3 inches it will not support. Let me know what you think of this new product in the description below. If you are into real carbon fiber products like me, you might want to check out EVNB's new carbon fiber collection for both the Tesla Model 3 or Model Y. I got their matte carbon fiber mirror covers, side camera covers, along with their spoiler. All of these products are real carbon fiber, and let me say, wow, they look incredible. Like, the finish is perfect, the form fit to the mirrors is just excellent. Even their new matte carbon fiber spoiler fits the contour of the trunk perfectly. I'm pretty picky when it comes to carbon fiber, and these products just add that subtle modification to the car with a clean matte look. Installing these is pretty straightforward. Just use the included adhesive tape and apply it to the back of the side mirrors. Be sure your side mirrors are properly treated and cleaned with an alcohol solution to ensure these carbon fiber pieces affix to the paint correctly. Push down on the covers and let it sit for a few hours before driving your car. It's the same process for the side camera covers. Attach the included 3M adhesive and affix it to each side of the car. The spoiler can take some extra time as you will have to line this up perfectly to the trunk lid. I just used some painter's tape to correctly align this to my Model 3. Prepping your paint is key before you stick the spoiler onto the car. I used Geon's prep solution before installing the spoiler. Not only does EVNB have awesome carbon fiber products, but also check out their all-weather floor mats too. I just installed their trunk mat and it fits the contour of the trunk identically. It even bends in the middle should you need to access the bottom of the sub-trunk compartment. This floor mat has this cushioning textured feel and somewhat shines in the daylight. Now, if you're finding this video great thus far, consider liking the video down below so current and future Tesla owners can find this. I would greatly appreciate it. EVNB also came out with this Cybertruck parking sign that I thought looked really cool in the garage, or even just an awesome look for your home office. I got 2 extra Cybertruck signs that I'm giving away in this video. Just comment below that you would like to be entered into the drawing. Details for this can be found in the description below. Moving on to cabin comfort, these brand new headrest and lumbar support pillows have been newly upgraded with a genuine Nappa leather that looks and feels just like the Tesla seats. The neck pillow is not too large to where it will push your head forward. I found it just perfect to enhance my driving comfort. The lumbar pillows add additional support should you feel the lower back of the seats need some more padding. Both pillows have the option to unzip the back and the bottom to add or remove filler. As you can see, the pillows come with additional filler. I also like that both pillows blend right into the seat. You will not see any ugly strap tied around the headrest like other pillows you see on the market. These straps are invisible, they just tuck right into the headrest gap. The pillows come with 2 strap lengths to match your preferred height comfort. There are also 2 slots to connect these straps under the pillow. One is higher and one is lower to further enhance your neck comfort. Simply connect the straps to the pillow hooks on either end and you're done. The perforated holes on the bottom help push air out when your head leans up against the pillow. They come in both the color black and white to match your interior. I've had these pillows for a few months now and I can say these are the best on the market. You're not going to be disappointed in them. For some entertainment while maybe supercharging your Tesla, these wireless game controllers by Jawa work great for playing beach buggy racing, especially when it's with your friend or partner. Setting up the wireless controllers is easy. Just plug in the USB Bluetooth adapter into the Tesla, push the button on the USB plug and also the Bluetooth button on the game controller, and they will auto connect as you can feel the controller vibrate, indicating the connection was successful. You only have to do this one time, as this will auto connect every time the game controller is turned on. They also sent me their USB hub for the center console that allows you to streamline all your connected devices. What I really like about this item is the auto light function. When trying to find something in that deep center console, it can be hard to see things. You can see here when I put my hand down on the center console, the light will auto turn on to help you locate items. The light will auto shut off after a few moments when no motion is detected. I also updated my Tesla Sentry Mode storage device with this micro SD card that inserts directly into the USB hub panel. Jawa was even kind enough to add a coupon code for all of my subscribers when going through checkout. You can get these wireless game controllers and the USB hub with the coupon code in the description below this video. Check out this portable air pump by VacLife that plugs directly into your Tesla's 12-volt power supply in the center console. Quit driving to the gas station like like I was doing to add air to your tires when you can do this at home or on the go. This fast pumping tire inflator cannot be easier to use. Just plug the air hose up to your tire by clamping on the air nozzle, plug in the power cord into your Tesla, set your desired PSI by hitting the plus or minus buttons on the display, and then hit the power button. The VacLife pump will auto fill your tire to the set amount and auto shut off when the PSI limit is reached. To find out how much air you should be putting in your tires, just check the label on the inside of the driver's side door. I personally filled up my tires to 41 instead of 42 just for a slightly more comfortable drive. In darker situations, you can press this light button and it will turn on a light to help you see, and also this flashing light mode for your safety on the road. Not only can you use it for your car but also bicycles and many other inflatables. You can see that the box came with more adapters to inflate whatever you need. Use the other plug adapter to use it in your home with a 120 volt receptacle. I'm just going to keep this thing in the back of my Tesla sub trunk should I need it for later use. I got a brand new product on the market that helps keep your charging cable organized and completely off the ground in your garage walkway. Made 100% in the USA, the EV Hover is a 9-foot long extendable 180-degree swivel arm that folds away against the wall. This elevated charging arm improves garage safety, organization, and also helps with space efficiency. Not only does this work on your Tesla, but almost any electric vehicle with various charging adapters. You can see this is what my typical charging setup looks like with the obvious trip hazard on the floor right to my house entry door. When EV Hover reached out to me and I checked out their website, I already knew this would be a great addition to my garage. Made from lightweight aluminum, it can support EV charging cords up to 3/4 of an inch, and the entire unit can be mounted on drywall, into a stud, or even brick, stone, and concrete. Installing this only took me 15 minutes. As you can see, it completely transformed the way I charge my Tesla at night, now that it's elevated above me rather than getting all dirty on the ground. Not to mention the trip hazard I had earlier. Again, this will extend a total of 9 feet, so even if your charging port is on the other side of the garage, this arm will reach over another car into the next parking space to charge your EV. We can see by looking at the hook on the arm that one side is larger than the other. The more narrow section will support your Tesla cord, while the wider side will support many other EV plugs, including the popular J1772 connector. I also have this mobile charger cap protector. Should it accidentally drop the charger, the damage should be minimal, especially if it were to hit my car. I'll have a link below this video should you be interested in getting one for yourself, along with the EV Hover Kit. To keep your Tesla rims looking new and to make it easier to wash your Tesla, you're going to want to check out these two new products. This Geon Q2 ceramic rim coating works on all finishes that repels brake dust and dirt, limiting your time having to keep the wheels clean. Now, preparation is key before applying these products to your rims. You're going to want to thoroughly pressure wash, scrub, and decontaminate the rims to ensure the Geon ceramic coat will have the best chance at adhering to the rim. You certainly do not have to do this, but I personally took off the entire rim one at a time, ensuring that I got every crevice of the tire rim cleaned by pressure washing them with my soap foam and also using the Geon prep cleaner to remove any final oils and lubricants. After I felt each tire was well cleaned and prepped, simply take your Geon rim coating and evenly apply it to the included suede cloth. Apply a liberal amount of the product onto the rims in sections and immediately wipe off with a microfiber towel. It can be tedious work, but once you apply this stuff, you'll be happy with the results and the rim cleaner overall. I did 2 coats on each tire. If you apply 2 coats, be sure to wait at least 4 hours to allow time for the product to cure. You can see here after applying this stuff in a few days of driving in the rain, the minimal amount of dirt accumulation. Using my pressure washer, the dirt comes right off the rim with no scrubbing required, saving me a ton of time on cleaning. Finally, I applied this Geon tire ceramic coating gel. Applying this stuff is a breeze by pumping a small amount onto the sponge applicator and then rubbing it onto the tire side. This is the best tire shine I have used, as it has survived a few rainstorms when driving. The shine is still there. I'll have a coupon code below this video should you want to use these products on your Tesla or any vehicle for that matter. Speaking of washing your Tesla, if you currently have a pressure washer at home or are looking for a simpler way to organize your pressure washer hose along with the power cord, you may want to check out this new to the market Giraffe electric pressure washer. What makes this one so nice is the ability to mount it directly onto the wall with its auto retracting hose reel. This all-in-one pressure washer has made it so much easier now to wash my Tesla at home, along with the ability to use it for other projects including the sidewalk, the house siding, and many other cleaning activities. The hose length is 100 feet to reach many items, and it also comes with a soap bottle and spray gun with various quick connect nozzles. Testing this out on the Tesla, I was quite impressed. It's literally the same as my old electric pressure washer I had, but now it's obviously bolted to the wall with a hose reel for easy cleanup. The soap container worked out okay. I wouldn't say it's the greatest, as you can see the soap was a little too runny. This may be because I had too much water in the soap container. It did a fairly good job though. If you're looking for an exceptional soap foam candidate, I would recommend this one by MJJC. This foam is much thicker, as it really clings to the car that much better. I'll have a link below this video should you want one. Cleanup is now a breeze and the garage looks a little more neat and organized without the cords off the ground. Be sure to check out the links below this video should you want to get one for yourself. If you would like to add that finishing touch to the internal part of your Tesla doors, a quick and easy install will be these door latch covers. These protectors are a custom fit to hide the door hinge and lock latches. Just snap them into place and you're done. I really like how they hide the lock latch, yet they do not interfere with the ability to open and close the door. This clean look, in my opinion, really adds a nice finishing touch to your Tesla. To see even more accessories from all the videos on my channel, be sure to check out my new website at evanmichaels.com to find everything you saw here today all on one page. If you've enjoyed this video as much as I did creating it, consider dropping a like for me down below and subscribe to see future content like this. Again, my name is Evan, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.